Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is a physical factory sealed T-Mobile iPhone 6s, in which that's the current Imei there, in which we're not unsealing the device, in which when it comes factory sealed like this, in which we're just going to take that same Imei. Okay, we're going to pause the video for a second real quickly. Okay, we are back. As you can see, this is the physical device, in which it is factory sealed, original factory plastic, in which we're not going to open this device or anything, because you'll decrease the value of resale, in which we'll show you that this Imei, which is the same right here, that is currently blocked in the system. This is part one of the physical factory sealed T-Mobile iPhone 6s. Clicking file date. Which is definitely blocked, as you can see, which is the physical device, in which this is part one, in which part two will be back very shortly, in which we're basically clearing this device out of the system, where it's a T-Mobile factory sealed iPhone 6s. Thank you for watching. Tune in to part two.